Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to program private channels on the Entel HT644 VHF marine radio. If you own this radio and need to set up private channels, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned and let's get started. Step 1. Enter programming mode. First, to enter programming mode, press and hold the WX and MEM buttons. While holding them, turn on the radio. As soon as the display flashes, release the buttons and turn the radio off. This step prepares the radio for private channel programming. Step 2. Access private channel menu. Now, press and hold the WX and MEM buttons again while turning the radio on. Keep holding until the display shows P01. This means you're now in the private channel selection mode. Step 3. Select a private channel slot. Using the up and down buttons, scroll to choose the private channel you want to program. These channels are labeled P01 to P16, L01 to L10, or F01 to F10. Step 4. Assign a marine channel. Once you've selected a private channel, press 16:9 to edit it. Then, use the up and down buttons to select a marine channel to assign to this private slot. Step 5. Adjust channel settings. You can now modify the channel settings. To change power levels, press the HL button to toggle between high and low power. To switch between simplex and duplex modes, press the scan button. If dupe appears on the screen, the channel is set to duplex, otherwise it's simplex. Step 6. Save and exit. Once everything is set, press the MEM button to save your settings. To program another private channel, press 16:9 and repeat the process. Finally, turn off the radio to exit programming mode. And that's it! You have successfully programmed private channels on your Entel HT644 VHF marine radio. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Let me show you some common programming mistakes that can prevent radios from communicating with each other on private channels. Number 1. Incorrect selection of the marine channel. When selecting a marine channel, be mindful of the two types of digits displayed. The larger digits represent the main channel number. The smaller digit indicates a channel group. 0 for channels 1 to 99, 1 for channels 101 to 199, 2 for channels 201 to 263. Mistake. Selecting the wrong small digit can result in radios being on different frequencies, preventing communication. Always double-check the smaller digits when assigning a channel. 2. Changing an already programmed private channel. If a private channel has already been programmed and you follow the standard procedure to change it, the new marine channel may appear to be set. However, when you turn the radio off and back on, the radio will not work, and troubleshooting will reveal that the new marine channel was not saved. Solution: deprogram the private channel before reprogramming it. Follow these steps. Select the private channel you want to modify. Press 16:9 to enter edit mode. Press MEM until the MEM icon disappears from the screen. Press 16:9 again to save and exit. Now, reprogram the channel following steps 3 to 6 from the programming procedure. By doing this, the new marine channel will be properly saved, ensuring the radios work correctly on the assigned frequency. And that wraps up this tutorial on programming private channels in the Entel HT644 VHF marine radio. We also covered some common mistakes and how to fix them, ensuring your radios communicate flawlessly. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Have any questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay safe and stay connected.